So on Monday, I was talking about primers. What do they actually do? There are so many different primers on the market, but I've just picked out two today, and I want to show you what they actually do and the difference between the two of them on the lovely Eleanor's skin. And there is quite a difference. First of all, let's look at the Charlotte Tilbury. This is an invisible UV flawless primer. Basically, this is going to make your skin look even more glowy, and it also has a built-in SPF of 50, so you get 2 for 1. So that's the Charlotte. Now let's look at the Ordinary. This one is silicone based. This primer is going to be really good if you've got a lot of open pores, if you've got some like fine lines, maybe you've got some like wrinkling around your mouth. What this primer is going to do is make the skin texture really smooth so that the foundation or whatever it is you're going to put on afterwards just glides over the top. Now look at the difference between both sides of Eleanor's face. On the one side we've got the Charlotte Tilbury giving that gorgeous glow, fabulous. And then on this side we've got the Ordinary, which is really smoothing out the surface of Eleanor's skin. I mean, they both do quite different things, both great in their own right. It all depends what kind of look you're going for and what you're doing. What is the finish that you want from your complexion? Are you going out on an evening? Do you want that really glowy, lit from within skin? In that case, you may go for the Charlotte Tilbury. Are you at an all-day event? You know, is it a wedding and you want to keep that oil under control? Then you'd go for more blurring, mattifying, flawless finish that you get from the Ordinary. Now, I just wanted to touch on what can happen sometimes with primer. What you've got to look out for. Number one, make sure you leave enough time between the primer application and the foundation application. Primer needs time to settle. One thing that has happened to all of us at some point in our lives is pilling. Pilling is when a product on top of a product doesn't go together. If you've used a silicone-based primer, you cannot use a foundation or a tinted moisturizer or a concealer that contains hyaluronic acid. Why? Hyaluronic acid is a water-based product. Silicone, they don't mix. If you remember those two things, you'll be in a great place. I hope that's been helpful.